How to download WeChat on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a Play Store in your mobile device and make sure that you have proper internet connection in your device as well. Now once you open it up, head over to the search bar and then from there type in WeChat. After that, you will have this WeChat application in the interface along with that install button. So tap on install. Now depending upon your internet connection, it will take some time to download in your device. Once the application is downloaded and installed in your device, simply open up the application and then log into your account. And then you can use WeChat to chat with your friends. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.